Hi, class, and welcome to Module 4.0. Dr. Rossler here. Uh, Administrative notes, don't really have any. You're doing a great job. I really like the individual voice threads. I like how things are coming together in the third seminar where people are talking to each other, reviewing the class, and just creating sort of discussion nodes and synthetic points. So that's all good. It's a good experience for me. It's very good theater to watch and to listen to. Like all the ideas, and I think you'll find it very useful and interesting when you get to the final section and you have to go back to yours and the your videos and the videos of others uh, to synthesize greater and bigger arguments. Okay, let's get right to Module 4.0, Democracy. So I'm going to begin with a traditional educational representation of democracy, which is via Locke and the Declaration of Independence and Constitution. And then I'll turn to the primary text, Du Bois's Souls of Black Folk from 1903. So just to note, what you can see here are the texts that we're going to be working with. The Du Bois text, Souls of Black Folk, is the only required text, and you're not reading the whole thing. There's about 8 chapters which you have to read. I'll be referring to both Locke and then the Founding Fathers documents there. Just a note on the last 3 texts there: Howard Zinn's People's History of the United States, Ibram X. Kendi, Stamped from the Beginning, and Angela Davis's Abolition Democracy. So they're all put up there as recommended texts. You can read them at your leisure. I highly recommend them. Zinn is published in 1980, a classic text on alternative reading of history, looking at history from below, from the people's version of it, not from the elites. Kendi is similar and concentrates on the history of African American history, specifically an anti-racist view of African American history. And Angela Davis is, you know, thinking in a theoretical way beyond something like democracy. So it's an interesting sort of theoretical sort of series of texts that she has there. Okay, so what we want to do now is to begin with, is to turn to Locke and the Declaration.